This is the SnowPi RGB. It's the friendly little snowman for your Raspberry Pi and microbit. It features 12 RGB lights and is ready to go and fully pre-assembled. Let's see how it works. Plug your Raspberry Pi in, install the library, run the example, and you have your rainbow snowman. The SnowPi RGB works on all models of Raspberry Pi, including the Pi Zero as seen here. At the same time with the RGB version, we've also designed it to work alongside a microbit adapter board, which you screw onto your microbit, plug the snowman into, and you have your snowman working on a microbit. So why Kickstarter? To be able to get the SnowPi down to an affordable price, I need to order 250 units. To achieve this, I need your support to help make this happen. You can program the SnowPi in a variety of languages, from MakeCode on the microbit to Python on the Raspberry Pi. If it has support for the WS2812 LED, it should work fine. The SnowPi RGB is a great stocking filler, so make sure you don't miss out on this limited edition product by backing today on Kickstarter.